La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah. है दर्द दिल की तवा, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah. किसी की सासू मी पसुसानी की किया सातू.
In late 1980s, a Ghanaian missionary who was residing in Fiji made several trips to the Pacific Islands in Micronesia, and on Majuro he met Sam Nena, who is still residing in Uliga. And along with Sam, there were several others who converted to Islam at that time in late 1980s or early 1990s. And then for the longest time, there was no communication of the center and the new converts, the neophytes that were here. And then later in 2000s, mid 2000s, our spiritual leader, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmed, he appointed USA community to build a mosque there and to provide with a missionary or an imam to kind of fulfill the religious needs of the community. So this is how USA community got
खिलाफत क्या है एक फजले अज़ीम रब रहमा है सरासर नूर और रहमत इल्म और हिकमत का गुलिस्ता है खिलाफत क्या है एक फजले अज़ीम रब रहमा है सरासर नूर और रहमत इल्म और हिकमत का गुलिस्ता है
The Ahmadiyya Muslim community is a dynamic, fast-growing international revival movement within Islam. Founded in 1889, it spans over 206 countries of the world, with membership exceeding tens of millions. Its current headquarters are in the United Kingdom. The Ahmadiyya Muslim community is the only Islamic organization to believe that the long-awaited Messiah has come in the person of Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmed of Qadian, India. Ahmed, peace be upon him, claimed to be the metaphorical second coming of Jesus of Nazareth.
This huge region, there's a great diversity of religions, all different versions of it, and why not this version as well? Perhaps one of the most important concepts in the United States is the freedom of expression, the very first amendment in our Constitution, and very close behind that is freedom of religion. In fact, the difference between those two is almost inseparable.
ये दिन बरकतों के ये जलसा हमारा ये दिन बरकतों के खुदा की इनायत और शफ़क़तों के ये दिन हो मुबारक मुबारक हो ये दिन खिलाफत से पुरनूर ये माह ये सिन खिलाफत से पुरनूर ये माह ये सिन ये जलसा हमारा ये दिन
the prayer
बरकतों
that
के
everyone who travel for attending this convention, that is for the sake of Allah, may Allah the Exalted be with him, reward him in abundant measure, have mercy on him, ease up his circumstances and hardships and anxiety, and eliminate his anguish and grief. May he grant him freedom from every single hardship and lay upon him the ways of achieving his cherished goals, and raise him up on the day of judgment among those of his servants who are the recipient of his blessings and mercy. May he be the guardian in the absence until after their journey come to an end. O Allah, O Sublime One and Bestower of bounties, the ever merciful, and one who resolves all problems, do grant these prayers and grant us victory over our opponents with mighty signs, because you alone have the prowess and power. Ameen. Ameen. O Allah, accept these prayers.